mataas na mahistrado ng bansang ito. Ang kanyang panunungkulan ay dapat walang bahid kahit katiting dahil sa mandato ng kanyang katungkulan at kahalagahan ng kanyang posisyon. In the end, I arrived with the conclusion that through his own direct admission, the Chief Justice failed to properly disclose all of his assets in his SALN. I prayed hard for divine providence and guidance in this one great decision of my life, Mr. President. Napakahirap man, alang-alang sa pagkakaisa at paghilom ng ating bayan, alang-alang sa pagpapatibay ng mga institusyon ng ating pamahalaan, alang-alang sa mga darating pang henerasyon at ang ating kinabukasan, I find Chief Justice Renato C. Corona guilty.
Ang tunay na hukom sa paglilitis na ito ay ang taong bayan. In my conscience, Mr. President, I have heard their decision. And for them, I vote guilty.
My verdict is guilty. A conviction signifies that transparency and accountability as principles in governance take precedence over legal technicalities.
Naniniwala ako, mabuting tao si CJ Corona. Subalit, dito po sa issue ng FCDO account, nagkamali po siya rito. Naniniwala po ako na dapat pantay-pantay ang implementasyon ng batas na ito. Mayaman man o mahirap, miyembro man ng Korte Suprema o pangkaraniwang mamamayan. Kaya po ako ay bumoto ng guilty.
Tatlong senador ang bumoto ng not guilty. At narito naman ang kanilang mga paliwanag.
We are one step from violating the Constitution. This is not justice, political or legal. This is certainly not law. For sure, it is not the law of the Constitution. It is only naked power, as it was in 1972. When soon we shall stand before the Lord, I vote to acquit.
I am insulted by the way your minds run. I am deeply disappointed that on at least 3 occasions, the prosecution claimed that these documents came from an anonymous source. Strike me dead. 3 times is just too much coincidence. Are you for real prosecution? Why is the Philippines often, or if not all the time, why is the Philippines always ranked as one of the most corrupt countries in the whole world? Yan, sagutin niyo ako niyan. Nagpapakalinis kayo? Aba kung malinis pala ang mga opisyalis natin at malinis pala sa buong bansa, bakit palagi tayong nililista ng Transparency International as one of the most corrupt countries in the world? Magtitinginan tayo? Sino kaya dito? Bawat isa ba sa inyo, walang sala tungkol sa SALN? Bigyan niyo ako ng isa pang buhay. Panginoon, bigyan mo ako ng isa pang buhay at imbestigahin ko lahat. Isa-isa. Dito sa Senado at sa House of Representatives. Tignan natin. Pati sarili ko, imbestigahin ko. Would you be very surprised if I say that I vote not guilty?
When the furor has died down and this political storm has subsided, I know that like Lady Justice, we shall find solace in the fact that this decision, though maybe not popular, was fair, impartial, and just. I vote to acquit the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court.
Susunod, 3 bata patay matapos makuryente umano sa sampayan sa kasagsagan ng ulan. Si Montulpo may hawak daw na video para patunayang hindi raw siyang nagpasimula ng gulo. Pero kampo ni na Raymat Santiago at Claudine Barreto, diskumpiyado. Sampung kambing na yan pinagsiksikan sa motorsiklo. Sa Kidapawan po yan. May bagong dabarkad sa Itbulaga. Walang iba kundi si Solen Husap. tututukan natin sa pagpapatuloy ng 24 oras.